Being right, we take turns being wrong. I get real accountable when I'm alone. I get real about it all when I'm alone. It's so crazy missing you.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys already know, it's Smiley with 2 eyes. If it ain't 2 eyes, then it ain't me. Big prr. Today we're doing another hair tutorial, which is Bantu knots. So let's get right into the video. Parting that section down the middle, we're going to go ahead and start off by moisturizing our section with moisturizer, and then we're also going to put some oil on top because we do not want dry Bantu knots when we take these down. Like, you want your hair to still be moisturized and well protected. Go ahead and comb that through, and then we're just going to start twisting it into one direction. Mind you, you do not want to twist it too tight, because the tighter you twist it at the roots, the tighter it will be by the time you finish wrapping your Bantu knot all around. And you do not want your hair to be ripping out from the roots because it is too tight and you are uncomfortable. Now you're just going to continue to wrap that piece of hair around itself, and it should start forming a beehive. And then I'm also going to put a little bit more moisturizer at my ends so that my ends won't be as dry. Now for this part, you can use either rubber bands or you can use hairpins, but I chose to use rubber bands because it's easier for me to secure it and it doesn't hurt when I'm sleeping at night. to just go ahead and put a Bantu knot right in the middle of my head instead of using a middle part. That's because when I do take my hair out, I want my hair to fall in the front of my face. Of course, you can use a middle part when you are doing Bantu knots, but like I said, for the style that I'm trying to achieve, I will not be doing that. If you want a free fall type of look, then I would say always put a Bantu knot in the middle of your head instead of using a middle part. Hey guys, today is the next day. I'm just going to go ahead and start off by oiling my scalp, and then I also took some of that oil, rubbed it in on my hands, and scrunched it onto the Bantu knots. And here I'm just going to go ahead and start taking out the rubber bands. As you can see, this is another reason why I use the rubber bands, because it's easier for me. But like I said, you can always use hairpins. I just know that it's easier for me to sleep on these, and they're really not hard to take out. So yeah, but when you're taking out your Bantu knots, you want to twist them like you're untwisting a bottle cap, and then you just can pull them down if it's easier for you to do it like that after you already twisted them just a little bit. Here we're going to start unseparating our Bantu knots, and for me, I'll just start off at the roots, and then I just drag my finger down the Bantu knot itself, and I separate it as much as possible. Also, I realized when I was taking these out that some of them are looser than the others, and it's like that based off of how tight you actually twist your Bantu knots. So just keep that in mind. If you want to have a tighter curl, then I would say try to make your Bantu knots a bit tighter, but for me, like I said, some of them were a bit looser, like this one right here at the front. As you can see, it's kind of more of a wavy type of curl than an actual spring curl. Now you could decide to just leave your hair like this and you'll be done, but for me, I decided to take my wide tooth comb and just comb some of my curls out to have it looking more fuller, because that's how I like mine. If you like your curls to be more defined, then I would say skip this step, or you can just finger pluck them out. But like I said, I used the comb for this style that I was trying to achieve. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.